Okay guys, as the initial step, you have to enter the BIOS setting. To do that, you have to go to start menu, go to power option, tap on restart. Once your computer is starting, you have to press delete key or F2 key depending on your model. Then after, you can able to enter the BIOS. So if you are using AMD CPU, you can see under the peripherals tab or similar name tab fTPM option, or if you are using Intel GPU, you can see PTT option there. So you have to enable or make sure set it as enabled or auto. So you have to again disable CSM. You can go to the boot tab, then after you can see find CSM support or just CSM. You can set it to disable option. Disable the CSM is necessary for enable secure boot options. Then after you have to enable secure boot. After disable the CSM, secure boot option will be appear. It is usually in the boot or security tab in the BIOS setting. Enable the secure boot from there. If you can't see it immediately, you can save the setting and exit the BIOS and reboot your computer and enter the BIOS setting again. Then you will be able to see the enable secure boot option. Under the secure boot setting, find key management or restore factory keys. Select restore factory keys and confirm option. And finally, you can save and exit from BIOS. Then after reboot your computer. So now your TPM 2.0 is enabled and secure boot also enabled. Once it is done, when you turn on your computer, go to search bar, type run, tap on it. Now you need to type tpm.msc. Hit enter. In your case, you can see TPM is ready and you can use the TPM. In my case, I have no TPM requirement, so it is showing as cannot be found. So in your case, if your motherboard is supported TPM, you can see TPM is ready like this. So then after you can launch the Valorant, so you can play it without TPM error. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video. And the finally, you have to check your secure boot also is turned on. You can go to search bar, search for system information, just tap on it. So in my case, secure boot state is turned off. You should turn it on as I previously said to run the Valorant. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.